and today we are going to be doing Who Can Make the Best Slime, and we have a special guest today, Norah,
my sister, Evelyn.
So let's get started.
We have our bowls, spoons, all different types of glues,
Activators,
and activator.
We have shaving cream, activator, white glue, clear glue, and 3 different kinds of glitter glues.
And this white glue. Lovely
Yes.
soul.
And we have pink glitter glue, purple glitter glue, and green glitter glue. And if I picked like that would make the light pink, lavender, mint, and I think
Look
that
how
I know
big
colors.
this thing is.
We're each going to pick a glitter glue, so let's get started on picking.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes!
Now you go against Evelyn.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Evelyn gets to pick first. I'll go second, and Nora will go
Wait, no, now she has to go against me.
No, because you
Yeah.
lost.
Yeah, but she didn't even go first.
Oh, fine. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, Evelyn gets to go. Oh,
Go
okay.
for the big boy.
I'm
Take
going.
your spoon out so it'll be easier for you.
I'm going for this pretty pink glitter.
I'm gonna go for this white glue. Actually, no, I'm gonna go for this one.
Okay.
Green.
Let's.
Yeah, that's enough. I mean, that's really good. That's enough. More than enough. Really hard in person.
Yeah, I know. Actually, really hard, you guys. It might look easy, but no. There's still more at the bottom.
On to round 2.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No! I was like,
I thought
paper,
you did
scissors,
rock.
shoot. So,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
no! Evelyn, pick the same order again. Evelyn, what do you want to pick?
I'm gonna pick
Oh.
shaving cream.
I'm gonna pick the purple pretty glitter.
I'm gonna pick this glue.
Scissors just gets the white glue because we'll all add activator at the end. So, oh my god, mine's gonna be so pretty. It's gonna be purpley.
That's gonna be like.
Mine's gonna be all
I
fluff.
smell the oh my god, I smell the shaving cream.
Wipe from all the shaving cream.
Oh, yours just like.
Did you put clear glue in it?
Yeah.
Nora, you should have done white. It would have been mint. And
No,
whoever
because I'm putting shaving cream in it.
Fair.
And
If you get it.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so that's right. We'll have this white glue to choose from, clear glue, and shaving cream, and then we'll all have activator at the end. We'll just put
it's
it
so
there.
that's so satisfying.
Yeah.
Just watch.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, on to round 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
I'm
gonna
last.
pick
No, I was gonna pick that.
this.
I'm gonna pick.
Okay, that leaves me with clear glue. Nora, you can't do it like upside down.
Tilt it.
Yeah, it's running out. Hopefully your dad doesn't need this.
He doesn't. It's mine, Nora. Mine. Okay, Nora, you have like half of this left. Nora! Okay, time to add the activator.
We'll see you in a few minutes.